Calculated Survival. My name is Luke, and today I'm going to be making my first Damascus billet. I've never made one of these before. It's a lot of forge welding, and it's two dissimilar metals. One has high nickel content, and the other one doesn't really have too much nickel in it at all, if not any. I didn't do my research before taking this video, but it probably has none. What happens when you pattern this stuff, you forge weld it together and you dip it in acid etch, is you can actually see shiny, dull, and it creates a pattern looking cool, and it's called Damascus. So today I'm going to show you how I'm going to do my first attempt at Damascus. So let's go cut up these pieces, get them welded together and cleaned up, and we'll get going.
A boat right as his father and his grand. I'm working in a boat, you're building on the river Thames. One day Chip was hard at work, the devil appeared from hell. He had a roll of copper and a bucket full of nails. The devil said, and the Chip, take his nails and copper roll, but you also have to take this rod and I will take your soul. Chip despised the rat and the rat squealed and hissed, but the bucket of nails and copper were too much to resist. Set to work, he'd get rid of the rat, and there wouldn't be a problem with the step to the back. But the devil wouldn't die, no matter how hard he tried. The rat attacked the boat right and he beat him in the eye. It seemed as if the river rat smell and the scent and smell. They followed Chip around and made his life a living hell. He slowly lost his mind, he lost his family, he lost his job and had to join the King's Navy.
I got my billet here, got it all welded up. I got 4 layers of 15 and 20, and I got 4 layers of 1095. Let's see how this works, because right now this is just an 8-layer billet. The rats chased Chip up the gangplank of the ship, and they bit him and they tortured him until he finally flipped. He stammered to the captain to turn around his rig. The captain spied his madness and they chucked him in the brig. The devil rat had his man, he knew just what to do. He'd command the rats and to the planks they drew. The water rushed in and the ship went down. She was smashed upon the rocks on which the rats danced around. A pip, a yard prepared a ship. A Satan is my master, I will get you, Chip. A lemon goes a pip, a yard prepared a ship. A Satan is my master, I will get you, Chip. A lemon goes a pip, a yard prepared a ship. A Satan is my master, I will get you, Chip. A lemon goes a pip, a yard prepared a ship. A Satan is my master. I got you, Chip. And then my camera died. Oh, and my forge caught fire. That was exciting. I still got an acid etch on the billet, though, so you can see the layers. I'm probably going to go with the twist pattern, but I'm still not sure whether I'm going to make a knife or a tomahawk or what kind of knife. Comment down below and tell me what you think I should make. And thanks for watching.